Today, we will begin part 3 of our Black History Month digital collage. You will take the images you collected last week and begin to create your digital collage. Remember, this is an art project. You want your collage to be artistic and creative. It should be pleasing to look at. Let's refresh our memory of what a good artistic Black History Month digital collage looks like. You will be creating a digital collage of images that represent a notable or important African American. You can create your collage in Google Slides. If you are familiar with other apps like Canva or PixArt, you can use them instead. We will begin editing our images. Start by going through your images and selecting the ones that you like best. To change the background, you have to right-click the outside of the text box and select Change Background. You can select a color to go with your images, or you can search the web for an image. You can even upload a picture that you have on your computer to use as a background. Again, right-click, Change Background. You can select a color, a gradient, choose an image. You can upload one from your computer, or do a Google image search. Type in what you want. Select your image. Click Insert, and done. And now you will have a background. Use the order option to layer images in a unique way. This is what is going to make your collage really look like a work of art. To change the order of an image, you can do one of two things. First, select the image, right-click and select Order, or select Arrange in the toolbar, and then select Order. Sending an image backwards makes it appear beneath another image. Bringing it forward makes it overlap on top of another image. Here are some pictures for Kobe Bryant. Let's see how changing the order works. For instance, if you want the stadium in the background, you click on it, then right-click, Order, Send to Back. Now it's behind all the other pictures. You can resize it to fit your screen. Maybe you want Kobe in the front. Select him, right-click, Order, Bring to Front. You can add lines, arrows, shapes, or even emojis as part of a design, pattern, or filler for the empty spaces. You could change the color of your shapes by clicking on them, clicking on the bucket tool. If you don't like the changes, click on the reset button to return the image back to its original size and shape. One of the other effects you could do is tweak the color of an image. Click on the image, right-click, select Format Options, select Recolor, and choose a color effect that suits your image. You can easily resize images by selecting the image and clicking and dragging the blue handles until you have the desired size. To keep the proportion ratio, hold the Shift key as you click and drag. This will keep the images from looking out of proportion. Double-click on an image you wish to edit or select the Crop button in the toolbar. Select the area you wish to crop, then click Enter on the keyboard or click the Crop button on the toolbar to crop the image. You can also crop into a shape. Choose the image, click on the crop option in the toolbar, press the little upside down triangle next to the crop icon, choose the shape for your image, and click anywhere on the screen to see how it will look. Let's see how that works again. Select the image, select the toolbar, the shape to crop, you can easily add borders to your images of different widths and different colors. Select the image. The first tool allows you to choose your color. The second tool allows you to choose the line weight, and the third tool lets you change the type of border. Border color, border weight, border style. One more time. Border color, border weight, border style. Some tips and reminders. Your content should be school appropriate. When choosing your background images, consider scenes or colors that set the mood for your chosen person. Lastly, symbolism is a great way to relate bigger ideas. You can incorporate symbols, emojis, and graphics that represent what you're trying to communicate. You can also use a free online collage maker if you like. There are many free programs online that you could use that offer a variety of options for editing and creating distinctive collages. Here are some free programs and their options. This will be included in the slide version of this lesson, where you can click on the slide and go right to the app. Here are 4 examples of collages created for Amelia Earhart on the free online collage maker programs. When you are done, go over your collage one last time and make sure that everything looks right. If you're happy with how it looks, submit it through Google Classroom. Please just turn in one slide of your Black History Month collage or picture. If you used a different app to create a collage, upload the final picture of your collage. You can screenshot the image if you cannot figure out how to download it. This concludes part 3 of your Black History Month digital collage. You will have 2 class periods to work on your collage.